7 cleaning hacks you need to know. Welcome to FastKlean channel. Check out our videos below for tips on how to make cleaning fun and less intimidating. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share button. Tea tree. A few sprays of tea tree oil can help clean and disinfect anywhere in your home. It can also be used to deodorize your kids' and husband's smelly socks and clothes. It is also effective at freshening up sheets and towels. Your rubbish bins no longer have to get super smelly by adding 4 drops of tea tree oil into it before the bag goes in. Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus comes with a clean, fresh scent, making it perfect for toilet and bathroom use. It can also act as a natural disinfectant and can get rid of stubborn stains and grease. Lavender. Add 6 drops of lavender oil and white vinegar in a spray bottle. You can use this to clean the bathroom and kitchen basins thanks to its disinfectant properties. It can also be added to an unscented washing up liquid. Lavender also has unique features that can repel insects like moths, ants, and cockroaches. Lime. You can use lime instead of lemon when it comes to making natural cleaning solutions for your home. Mix lime juice with vinegar and water, and you will get a spray disinfectant. You can even add essential oils for a much better scent. Mix lime juice and salt to create a paste for scrubbing copper pots. Pine. Mix pine essential oil with liquid Castile soap and water. This simple cleaning solution can be used to clean your wooden furniture and floors. Cornstarch. Cornstarch can be used to create glass and window cleaners. Add water to it to form a paste that you can use to clean silver. It can also be used as a gentle scrubbing cleaner for pans, pots, and glass cooktops. Sprinkle cornstarch and baking soda on rugs, and they will absorb odor and dirt. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, so you're always updated whenever we upload new videos. Check the descriptions below for a list of our favorite products that we highly recommend.